keep it 380. Big body Benz, fuck that little bitch in Mercedes.
Ralph Diller.
They get
Okay, you guys, so this is the final look with the eyeshadow. I didn't really have any complaints about it. It got on pretty smoothly. I didn't have to compact so much as I would with most eyeshadows, but I don't know if it's because I used the eye primer or if it just genuinely goes on pretty easy. But I had also test trialed it on my wrist and it got on there without any hassle, so I didn't really have a problem with the application. It's very pigmented, as you guys can see. I'll leave all her information down in the description bar so you guys can check her out. She has a Facebook page and an Instagram page. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, rate, and comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I believe it. That's what I'm saying. Like, how long do it take to get some damn chicken? You could just use it on there. Yeah. Because I don't know how to work the speaker. He just got it, this big ass speaker. I don't know how to work it. So
The gray one?
that gray one, he dropped it and it fell. So now when you play it, the bass, it like make a big zzz, zzz sound. So we can't even use that. And when I had tried to get the warranty on it, they talking about they sold out, so I have to wait until they restock to get the new one. So that doesn't work. And then this one here doesn't even want to charge. We have another black one. So he got this big ass speaker right here, and I don't know how the hell to work that damn thing. Oh yeah, true. Yeah. Damn. All right. Yes. Yeah.
You rather stub your toe every day or have a shower only twice a week? 3, we gonna vote.
All right.
1, 2, 3. Stub
Take
your
a shower.
toe. So we said, so we won. So y'all gotta drink 2 sips.
Why would y'all want
Lunia
to shower
Joseph.
2 times?
Right.
Who wanna keep banging these? I don't smell that quickly. I don't stink that quickly. I don't stink.
Yeah.
I'm just not gonna.
Right.
I would just rather get the pain up. It's not gonna last a long time.
No, it's not. Every day, every morning, you gotta look forward to that shit. No.
I'm gonna be in the shower for 4 hours. You hear me?
No.
I don't stink that easily
Drink
though.
y'all
Hey, that
shot.
shower's gonna make. Nah, it's a sip.
Yeah, y'all sip. Y'all sip. Okay, next question. X, take a sip without drinking your hands or arms.
Hold on, let me get rid of it.
No, without drinking your hands or arms.
It's an old shot.
No, it's okay. Yeah, go ahead. Without drinking your hands or arms. I want to see. Using his hands or arms.
Copy. Why it's always me though? That's what I want to know. Wait, what was the question?
He got to take a shot without drinking his hand, using his hands
Why?
or
What was
arms.
the question?
That's what it said. That's what it said. Who do you think knows more about American history, Sean or Prince?
Prince.
Get the fuck out of here.
Prince gets to give out 2 shots. So Prince, who do you want to take a shot? 2 people. Well, it don't gotta be 2 people.
Smarter than me.
Hold on,
They don't-
y'all. I got that. Let me see.
From dog. Oh my
I ain't
God.
talking shit.
Vote at the same time. So on 3, either you gonna suck from the ingrown toenail or you gonna eat a soup made from dog.
Going voting at the same time.
So 1, 2, 3. Ingrown toenail.
Eat from dog.
I'm not eating no dog.
You might eat at the Chinese restaurant.
I know what it tastes like.
I ain't eating no. Y'all.
Wait.
Yeah, they got it bumping.